Pan-fried potatoes are a simple and delicious dish that can be served as a side or as a main course. Here is the recipe for tasty pan-fried potatoes. Ingredients: 600 grams of potatoes, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, optional, a sprig of rosemary or 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Preparation: wash the potatoes and peel them. Cut them into equally sized cubes, about 2 to 3 centimeters per side, to ensure an even cooking. In a large pan, heat the extra virgin olive oil. If you wish, you can add a whole garlic clove to flavor the oil. Remember to remove it before it gets too brown. Add the potatoes to the pan and sauté them over medium-high heat until they begin to brown. Lower the heat and cover the potatoes, letting them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the cubes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking to the bottom of the pan. Halfway through cooking, add the rosemary to season the potatoes. Season with salt and pepper. When the potatoes are golden and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, remove them from the heat. If you want to give a more decisive Italian twist to this dish, you could, at the beginning of cooking, as soon as the potatoes are golden, add some halved cherry tomatoes and olives. Let cook together until done. Curiosity: pan-fried potatoes, or roasted potatoes as they are often called in Italy when baked in the oven, are a very popular traditional side dish. Their simplicity of preparation makes them perfect for accompanying a wide range of main courses, from meats to fish. Rosemary is an herb that goes particularly well with potatoes, but in different Italian regions there are variations with the use of other herbs such as sage or oregano.